Hari Om everyone. We'll begin today's Pratna Milan session by chanting 3 rounds of Omkara. Inhale deeply. Open your eyes. Vedic invocation. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yoga Ganapati Moola Mantraha. Om Hamsam Gam Bhagavate Nitya Yoga Yuktaya Satchidananda Rupine Vinayakaya Namaha. Shri Dakshinamurti Prarthana. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Swami Vivekananda Prarthana. Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swamine Tapaharine Swamine Tapaharine. Samarasya prayer for harmony from Rigveda. Om Sangachatvam Sambhadatvam Sambho Manasi Janatam Deva Bhagayata Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantra Samiti Samani Samanam Manasah Chittamesham Samanam Mantra Abhimantrayevaha Samanena Abhishachuhomi Samaniva Akutihi Samana Hridayanivaha Samanamastu Manaha Yathavassu Sahasati. Panchangam. Adyatana Panchangam. सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं शिशिर ऋतुः माघमासः कृष्णपक्षः चतुर्दशी तिथिः श्रवण नक्षत्रम वरियान योगः शकुनिकरणम इंदुवासरः. Today's date 16th of February 2026 Monday. Tithescha shriyamapnoti varadayushvardhanam nakshatra papam yoga Sarvesham Shubhamastu.
Let us continue with the Bhagavad Gita shloka, 10th shloka today. Tamuvacha Hrishikeshah Prahasanniva Bharata ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः Now let us chant all the shloka twice. तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः तमुवाच ऋषिकेशः प्रहसन्निव भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये विषीदन्तमिदं वचः. Now I request Acharya ji to continue.
This very chapter, the first chapter, is named after this verse. Vishidantam idam vachaha. Vishada, this word is very meaningful in this modern context. So, ordinarily, usually it is translated as Vishada means depression. Depression, as we all know, it is a common psychic problem of this modern world. After industrialization, which took place in the 18th century, because there was a remarkable shift psychologically, and people's priorities shifted, totally changed. Now we have its impact very much experienced at every stage. This Vishada. What is the root cause for this? Dilemma is the root cause for Vishada. Whatever dilemma, to be or not to be, to do or not to do. That is how at every stage this so-called modern mind will be in trouble, because we have two types of minds. One is Dakshina Murti and one is Vama Murti. Dakshina means left side, right side of our mind. In Sanskrit it is called Dakshina. There it is all positively charged emotions will be emerging. People of such awareness, they think positively. Here we have that type of figure of Vyasa. Oh no, sorry, it is Partha. Partha is the main person but he is projected by Vyasa Maharshi. Vyasa Maharshi has given that wonderful psycho-analysis in this chapter. So here, Hrishikesha tam uvacha prahasanniva. It is to be underlined. After having heard Arjuna's submission, just smilingly he was watching and he was studying his psychological inroad was already structured by Krishna. What is this mind? Partha's mind. How it is working? Why it is working like this? So, Prahasanniva Bharata, chariot is there in between two armies, Kaurava and Pandava. Vishidantam idam vachaha. Vishidantam is a qualifier word to Arjuna. That word does psychoanalysis of Partha. He is in this type of depression. He is in a dilemma. So, Partha's mind, it is in that condition, negatively charged. So, dilemma is there. Totally positive approach Krishna is having there, so that smilingly, taking the whole inner core of Arjuna's submission, now he is preparing to answer those questions raised by him. So, Vishidantam idam vachaha. So, this is called psychosynthesis, not only mere analysis. When we go for synthesis, we take everything in a positive sense. We take troubles as root cause for finding salvation. So hereafter, Krishna submits his analysis. Klaivyam asmakama partha naidattvayupapadyate kshudram hridaya daurbalyam tyaktva uttishta parantapa. That is how he starts. Arjuna, it is not good for you. You are not that type of psychological patient to be admitted to some centers, psychological centers. We cannot, because you are supported by Shastra Vidya and Shastra Vidya. You must have very proper balanced view. With that view you have to analyze. That is how Krishna gives a term, synthetical, systematic term he gives. That is how next sloka, subsequent deliberation goes on. Om Swasti.
Shanti Mantraha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid